Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs. emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. Hey everyone, it's Fox from Model Making Guru here. Hello, welcome to the prize draw for last week's giveaway. If you remember last Sunday, we did a Treehouse live stream, which you can see here. And we did a giveaway for this lovely Space Marines Assault Squad. Yeah, I got this for the AML 90 build and then I didn't need it, so I decided to give it away. Now, we asked Adam to come up with the question of the thing that you needed to write in the comments, and rather inexplicably, although he explicated it later on and it made perfect sense, he asked you to write a lawn chair, lawn mower, or something along those lines, or something redneck, or at the end of the day, just a comment. So we just needed to put a comment on the video. So it's time to draw the winner. We will now pick one of these at random. So this is the website here. To do this, the YouTube page. We'll copy this and we'll go to our random, our random YouTube comment picker. Put the URL in. And we'll load all the comments. Right, there are 50 comments, probably a few duplicates in there. So it's time for us to randomly pick a winner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the magic button, and then when it does that, we will have a winner. Now, I don't care where you are. I'll send the kit to wherever you are. It's not a problem for me to send it all around the world. What we'll do is I'll pick the winner, and if your name comes up, all you need to do is bot me an email or contact me on Facebook or through the website, and I'll go through that in a moment. But let's just crack on. So, ready? 3, a 2, a 1. William Wilms, lawn chair, riding lawnmower, hold my beer. William, you are the proud winner. Comment number 6. You are the proud winner of the Space Marines Assault Squad kit. I've opened the box, but I've not done anything with it, I don't think. I don't think I've taken anything out of it. Anyway, you've won it. It's free. So send me an email to modelmakingguru@gmail.com. That will come through to me. I'll need your name, your address, and in case you're outside the UK, a phone number, just in case the postal service needs a number. Normally it's so they can contact you and say, hey, I'm outside your house, where are you? I can't put it through the door because it's bigger than your letterbox. And can you call me? Thanks, bye. So yeah, name, address, and words. Name, address. One day I will do a video and not screw it up by talking gibberish. So your name, your address, and your contact phone number. If you want to, you can contact me. Just send me a message on Facebook through either Model Making Guru on Facebook, or pop me a message through the Boom Hut. And let me know, and we'll get that sent out to you. So well done. Congratulations, William. That will be going on to you. I did also give away some stickers and the awesome dinosaur mug on last Sunday's show. I'm going to be going to the post office tomorrow, so I'll get all those posted out tomorrow, which is Monday. Today is Sunday. It is, what time is it? Let's have a look. It is 1:55 on the 25th of February. So yes, so I'll get that done tomorrow on Monday, and they should all be with you hopefully in the next few days. Just remains to submit for... Right, I've got a big cup of coffee here. Hang on. Oh, big cup of coffee. You know, I used to be able to record videos in one take. Now it's like, whoa. I mean, this is in one take, but I can't cut this out, or the gibbering, but one day I'll just... It's because I'm excited to give stuff away. I'm like... Anyway, yes, I shall go away now. I'll get this all sent out to everybody tomorrow. Thank you for taking part, to everybody who put a comment. I now have a whole load of stickers, so expect more stickers to be given away. And until next time, go make something awesome. Go be awesome. Don't forget the E-Models live stream tomorrow night at 9 PM. Adios, amoeba. I'm waving. I always wave when I do a non-to-camera piece. Oh, idiot. I'm an idiot.